Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Eufy doorbell camera keeps going offline, then this video is going to show you the exact troubleshooting methods that you need to try. So Eufy doorbell either connect through a home base or directly to Wi-Fi. So if you are using a home base, just make sure that it is online in the application. Also check the Ethernet connection and the power. You can also try restarting the home base. If home base is offline, your doorbell will also appear offline. Now, doorbells are usually placed outside, which causes weak signal. So you can just simply open the Eufy application. In it, you can just simply check the signal strength. If the signal strength is low, move the router or home base closer. Avoid thick walls or metal doors. Consider a Wi-Fi extender near the entrance. The signal strength or weak signal is one of the biggest reasons for the frequent disconnections. Now, if your doorbell is battery powered, the low battery can also cause it to go offline. So you need to charge it fully and check if the issue continues. If it is wired, you can check the voltage stability and wiring. The unstable power can also cause the device to restart and disconnect. Now, if none of the methods are working for you, you can just simply reset your doorbell. For that, you just have to simply find the reset button, then simply press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. After 10 to 15 seconds, you just have to wait until you see the lights available on the doorbell. So this way, this particular step is going to clear the connection errors completely. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.